Lesson with Grizzly. Today, we start soldering stained glass. I've also included some helpful visual aids for beginning artists, if you're interested. But first, we need to clean off the tip. Just the tip, just to see how it feels. Wedding crashers, what's up? But seriously, this is all I do. Get the iron heated up, use a copper pan scrubber, and gently swipe at it to fling the solder gunk off onto the ground. But please be safe and wear shoes. And don't fling it onto carpet. Now that we got that covered, let's fill in these gaps. I like to fill in gaps first because this creates a smooth surface once cooled. So our next addition of solder can bubble and give smooth solder lines, as if the gap was never even there. I mean, sure, the line will be suspiciously wider than the rest of the solder lines, but people don't need to know why those lines are wider. It's kind of like people watching at a buffet. You're going to see people of all sizes, but it's polite to not ask questions. You know what I'm talking about. Sure, solder can go a long ways in terms of covering foil, but it's really easy to spread solder too thin. Sure, the foil is covered, but you need to add more solder if you want your lines to bubble up. 3 things to never skimp on in life: tips to deserving waiters, jelly on a PB&J, and solder on your stained glass. Write that down. Van Wilder, what's up? I mentioned visual aids at the start of today's video, and I'm a man of my word. I've zoomed out for the sole purpose of showing how my hand holds the soldering iron. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Actually, don't hold it by the hot end. But other than that, there's no right or wrong way. So play around with it and see which position feels most natural to you. The better it feels, the longer you'll last, which is normally the opposite for guys. Anyways, your lines will also become better if the iron is in a comfortable position. And this camera angle just shows the angle at which I hold the tip to the glass. It's canted, so one side of the tip is touching the glass while the other side is floating. This helps me have fewer hand tremors and therefore get smoother lines. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy 3-minute breaks to maybe learn something new, maybe see stained glass art get created, maybe roll your eyes at my movie quote knowledge. Either way, I'm just glad you're here and supporting the channel.